How to use Walmart shopping and grocery for productivity. Now, if you want to use Walmart online shopping productively, right, you have to utilize many of its features. The first is to always be prepared. So you must add your payment details and your addresses within your Walmart account by default already. So next time when you're paying, all the payment information is saved. You can add that by going to the account icon from the top right and going to account. And from there, you can simply go to this option called wallet over here. And from wallet, within the settings, if I go to wallet, you can add some of the payment methods by default next time whenever you want to shop. Now, whenever you're purchasing multiple products, what you can do is add them to cart one by one and later check out together. So you can click the cart icon from the top right, select all the products that you want to purchase. And if you have got Walmart Plus, you can try Walmart Plus to get free same-day delivery, gas discounts and more, and click the continue to checkout button as well. So this way you can go ahead and then basically use Walmart for productivity and make it more productive while shopping. I hope the video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.